Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this yummy palm oil fish stew. So here are the ingredients I'll be using: my tomato, bell pepper, onion, red palm oil, salt, curry, stock cube, and powdered garlic. So here is my tomato and pepper and onion all blended, and here is the fish I'll be using: tilapia. So next thing, I'll put in hot water and salt to wash it. So my fish has been washed and I would like to marinate it a bit before frying it. Yes, I'm frying it for this recipe. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. She feeling my way. She whisper to her friends. Now my fish has been fried. Time to make the stew. Put a pot on fire, add in some amount of red oil. So I'm going to be bleaching the oil a bit. To avoid a lot of smoke, I'm going to add in a bit of salt and cover for a while. So the oil is bleached enough. I'm just going to throw in some garlic and chunk of onion. I already blended some onion on my tomato. Pour in the blended tomato, onion and pepper. Allow to stir fry for another 7 to 10 minutes. After about 7 to 10 minutes, I'm going to add in my stock cube now. Next, I'm going to add in a bit of curry, some powdered garlic. Next, stir together. Next, I'm going to add in my fried fish. So I have some few pieces of chunky beef which I added to complement my fish. Just going to add in a tiny bit more salt to taste. Now I will leave my stew to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. So my stew is ready. You can either have it with white rice, yam or plantain. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do, not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.